Hey everybody, this is Lincoln from France, representing Supreme Legacy Crew and La Manufacture des Arts from France. Today we're gonna explore a concept that I call Matrix. Matrix is basically a symbol of your dance. You can see your dance as a planet, and within your dance there's countries. And each of those countries you have a different taste, quality of movement, and flavor. That's why it is interesting to see you dance as how you can find those different matrix, so you can be able to be conscious of your different artistic identity and also different way to be conscious of your technique. So let's start with 8 matrix. We're going to start with 2 elements to be known. First thing is basically outwalk. So outwalk is when my outside leg is going to go in front. In-walk is when my inside leg is going to go inside. As you see in those motion, you can be counterclockwise or clockwise. Basically, it's just a way to create infinite motion with no stop. If I take a very common example, when I'm doing my hook here, I can whether go out walk, so I might go here, or I can do in walk. So what's interesting is when you're gonna arrive at a point in which you feel blocked, you know you can go out or in. Okay, now let's go for the loops. So here's a couple loops I'm going to give you to understand how you can go clockwise, counterclockwise within a symmetric shape and change levels and also keeping the directions. So first shape is an 8 motion. All the movement that I'm going to show you from this first shape to the last shape is going to be walking in each time. So let's call this one 8 back walk. Basically, I'm going in and back. And when I'm here, I have the ability to do my hook. So from this hook, actually, I'm going to keep my motion, I'm going to avoid my hook, come in, and go back. From this shape, I have actually a 8. Try to go far with your arms, it's more about your rib cage, and when you go here, opposite your leg and your rib cage. And we have our first 8. Second 8, not 8. I'm here, my level is going to be a bit higher. From here, I have my hook, go in, and cross back. Third shape is going to be back tap in an 8 motion. Same time, same way, you're going to go in, shoulder down, touch down, and walk. Cross by other side. And hook. Fourth shape, same departure, in walk. This time it's going to be a bit higher. This is a bit more inspired by capoeira movement, so therefore it's going to be a bit more high. Same thing, kick by the back. Here there's a little cross hand, back in your hook. Then the other side. Little in-between element. We're gonna go back to the capoeira shape, 8. You have different way to explore your movement in levels. How you're gonna kick, if you kick high or flat. For me, all the movement that are flat is radar motion. It's like a radar that's gonna go far. Then you have other kind of movement which are dome movement, going high, and digging movement. So it's a way to create quite layers. So if I start with the 4th loop, I can kick basically radar. I can kick dome. This one is a bit hard to do dig, but I believe it's possible somehow. It will be way more low if we change the shape. So we're not gonna try this one, the digging one, with this motion. Basically, just knowing those 2 levels make it quite interesting. I can go far in this one, go up in this one. So this is little item. So basically, we have 4 shapes. With these 4 shapes, we're going to do an exercise is to do 1 item on the right, 1 other item on the left. Slowly, just playing with those 4. You will see that it's interesting because you can create quite of a sensation of freedom and also of accuracy of vocabulary. I'm going to change the order each time. So I use just 4 items basically. Now the thing that makes it interesting is creating this symmetry while knowing the vocabulary of it. And you can basically have this infinite flow. When you freestyle, you can add those elements. So basically you're never lost. And you can plug back in the material and go back in your freestyle. So this is it, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spin control, and see you in some jams coming up.